Graph the system of inequalities y is greater than 5 and x is greater than or equal to 4. Our first step is to graph our first inequality, y is greater than 5. We do that by drawing a boundary line, which in this case, since there's only one variable, our boundary line would be y equals 5. And keep in mind, when we draw the boundary line, it's going to be a broken line because our inequality symbol is just greater than. So it doesn't include any points on that line. We would then need to shade the appropriate region. Since we're looking for the values that are greater than 5, the values that are greater than 5 would be above our boundary line. So we would shade the region above our boundary line. We would then need to graph our second inequality, x is greater than or equal to 4. So since there's only one variable and the variable is x, our boundary would be a vertical line. And since our inequality is greater than or equal to, this boundary line would be a solid line. Our next step would be to shade the appropriate region. Since its x is greater than or equal to 4, the values that are greater than 4 are to the right of our boundary line. So we would shade to the right. Our solution would be the region in which they intersect, which would be this region